Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. Have you ever wondered what sets successful people apart from the rest of us? What habits do they have that allow them to achieve their goals and make a meaningful impact on the world? In his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Stephen Covey offers a blueprint for personal and professional success that has helped millions of people around the world. Covey's ideas are based on the principle that true success comes from a balance of personal and professional growth, and that success is not just about achieving goals, but about living a meaningful and fulfilling life. The first habit is be proactive. This means taking responsibility for your own life and making choices based on your values and principles, rather than simply reacting to the circumstances around you. The second habit is begin with the end in mind. This means clarifying your goals and values and visualizing what you want to achieve in your life. By doing this, you can create a clear roadmap for your life and stay focused on what's truly important. The third habit is put first things first. This means prioritizing your time and energy on the things that matter most, and being disciplined about sticking to your priorities. The fourth habit is think win-win. This means seeking mutually beneficial solutions in your interactions with others, rather than trying to win at all costs. The fifth habit is seek first to understand, then to be understood. This means listening to others with empathy and understanding, rather than just trying to get your own point across. The sixth habit is synergize. This means working collaboratively with others to achieve greater results than you could alone. And finally, the seventh habit is sharpen the saw. This means taking care of yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, so that you can continue to grow and develop throughout your life. In summary, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is a powerful guide to achieving personal and professional success. By cultivating these habits in your own life, you can become more focused, productive, and fulfilled.